Today the business is conjunctions. Moreover, the principal word is moreover. Moreover is a conjunctive adverb. No, it's not an adverb with conjunctivitis. And let's talk about the use. We use it to extend an idea, okay? It doesn't flip an idea, it extends. And we really use it to express that the second idea was more important than the first idea. We can use it in the same place that you might use additionally, except we use it to express that the second idea is more important than the first. Let's talk about structure. We can use it at the beginning of a sentence. Running by the pool is against the rules, full stop. Moreover, it's dangerous. When you use it at the beginning, you should put a little comma after it. We use it to join two independent clauses. There are too many people, and moreover, it's raining outside. I'm not going. We quite often find it in sentences after and when we really want to emphasize that the second idea is more important. She changes lanes unexpectedly, and moreover, she drives like a maniac. It's used more in a formal register. We find it quite commonly in writing. Politicians might use it during an elegant monologue.
Moreover, on a personal note. Moreover, on a personal note.
So the next time you feel the need to use additionally, see if you can exchange that with moreover. And I think it's a very elegant word to use, and it should help to improve your English. And it should help to improve your English. And it should help to improve your English a little bit. Hope you enjoyed the tip. Till the next one, ciao for now.